everyone, it's P100 from Toby, and today we have special guest from China, Miss Rita.
Hello everyone, my name is Rita. Come from here for exhibition.
Yes, and guys, today we have to launch our new series, P series, P100 watt. P100 watt, one light is 100 watt, two light together is 200. So guys, let me show you the inside specification and the quality of the product. 100 watt compass, high quality CSP LED, super quality fan. So well guys, this is 100 watt LED. Let me show you in the tester and let's see how it look like. Come on. So well guys, you can see here this too much bright and the 105 watt. This is a pure white LED. So well guys, let's put in the car and let's see how it look like. So well guys, this is our P100 LED light and you see in the car how it look like. If you want to make order, visit our their outlets, Dragon Mart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. See you guys in the exhibition.
Yes, happy to see you in exhibition.
World Trade Center. So take care guys and see you next video. Bye bye.
See you.